Mom Shi, eto ba yung concern mo? Na kaya hesitant kang kumuha ng life or health insurance is because you feel na baka hindi ka na insurable? Not insurable because of a medical history or baka dahil meron ka ng pre-existing condition? Mom Shi, alam mo ba na kahit na may pre-existing condition ka na, hindi ibig sabihin na automatic decline ka? Lalo na kung ang pre-existing condition is well-maintained naman at talagang inaalagaan natin ang ating sarili. Depende sa past medical records, medical exam, or blood tests, or other tests na i-require ni underwriter, pwede naman tayong ma-approve. So, pwedeng ma-approve as standard or pwedeng may rating, ibig sabihin may additional na premium, or pwede rin naman na may ma-exclude sa mga coverage, okay? Or pwede din, worst case, ma-decline siya. But my point is, subukan mo lang. Kasi hindi naman natin malalaman kung hindi natin itatry, di ba? Moms, maybe you still can. Check na natin your options. No pressure. Let me know, ha?